Hello, everyone. Welcome to another exciting session where we're going to talk about something that can be a total game changer in your life: setting smart goals. This isn't just about making a to-do list, it's about crafting a roadmap for success. Let's dive into this essential skill that can turn your dreams into achievable plans. What are SMART goals? The blueprint for success. SMART is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. It's like building a house. You need a clear blueprint to end up with a home you love. Beyond wishful thinking, setting SMART goals transforms wishful thinking into actionable steps. It's the difference between saying, "I want to travel," and "I will save $200 every month to visit Italy next summer." Breaking down SMART goals. Specific. Be as clear and specific as possible with your goals. It's like telling your GPS exactly where you want to go, not just somewhere in Europe. Measurable. Your goals should have concrete criteria for measuring progress. If your goal is to improve fitness, how will you track it? Maybe it's running a certain distance or lifting a specific weight. Achievable. Your goals should challenge you but remain attainable. It's like aiming to climb a mountain, not to fly. One is challenging but possible. The other, well, not so much. Relevant. Ensure your goals matter to you and align with your other objectives. It's like choosing a travel destination that excites you, not just because it's popular. Time-bound. Set a realistic deadline. It provides a sense of urgency and helps prevent everyday tasks from taking priority over your longer-term goals. Applying SMART goals in real life. Personal and professional goals. Whether it's advancing in your career, improving health, or learning a new skill, apply the SMART framework. It's like having a personal coach guiding you towards your goals. Regular review and adaptation. Periodically review your goals. Life changes, and so might your goals. It's like adjusting your sails based on the wind's direction. Celebrating milestones. Recognize and celebrate when you achieve parts of your goal. It's like giving yourself a pat on the back for reaching a checkpoint in a marathon. Setting SMART goals is about more than just achieving what you set out to do. It's about creating a fulfilling journey towards your dreams. It turns someday into a specific date on the calendar and vague wishes into concrete plans. So let's get smart with our goals. Remember, the power to shape your future is in your hands, one SMART goal at a time. I'm excited to see the incredible things you'll achieve with this approach. Here's to setting goals that inspire and motivate you to reach new heights.